Y'all, today we are unboxing my first ever Chanel bag. Let's go. Hi lovies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi Ford. I'm a wife, I'm a mom, I'm a content creator. Born in Lagos, Nigeria, but living in Birmingham, Alabama. My channel is all things fashion, beauty, entrepreneurship, travel, and luxury. And today I have a really good show. We're gonna have an outfit change because I'm re-recording this from the other part because my SD deleted the first part of this video, so I had to re-record it. So if you see an outfit change and hair change, don't worry. That part was shot weeks ago. This is shot now, so act like you don't even see it. So today we are unboxing my first ever Chanel. So I want to do a quick story about how I got my greedy little hands on this Chanel bag. I went to New York for Fashion Week and I ended up calling Fashionphile. For me, Chanel is not a brand that I'm going to put money into brand new. Their quality is declining year after year after year, but their prices go up year, not even year, second after second after second. Their prices are going up while their quality is going down. So Chanel's not a brand I'm gonna buy into brand new. I'm gonna buy it pre-loved. I knew I wanted a 2 or 3 series Chanel classic double flap black, caviar, or lambskin. I wasn't super picky. And so since Fashionphile is in New York and they have a flagship store there, I decided I wanted to go and look at the bubbles and bobbles and see what they had. So I called them, I set up a time, they gave me my SA's name, his name was Jack. Amazing. If you ever go, ask for Jack. Walked into the building and looked at the bags and instantly knew I was not that girl. I love Chanel, love their bags, love the brand. Don't love what they're doing with the brand now, but love the brand, period. And I knew a classic flap was what I wanted because all the fashion girlies had classic flaps and it just needed to complete my collection, and I wouldn't be finished until I had it, and that in a Birkin. And I walked in and I realized it just wasn't for me. One thing with my bags is they have to speak to me. They have to be like something that makes me like, I don't just buy bags just to buy bags because everybody has that bag. I buy it because I walk in and the bag is like, pick me, pick me, pick me. And then I'm like, I'm picking you, sis. Come on home. And I walked in and none of the bags did that. None of them. And so I was going to just buy another Hourglass. I have 2 of the Balenciaga Hourglass bags. Absolutely love those bags. But Jack was like, Fumi, listen, show me your Instagram. I showed him my Instagram. He was like, you need a Chanel. Like, that's just one bag you can just like check off. But he was like, I want you to find a Chanel that speaks to you and works for you. And he said, give me 3 seconds. And he went to the back and he came out with, I think, 3 or 4 bags. And the bag that we're unboxing today, as soon as I saw it on his arm, like he came in with all these bags and I saw that one. And I said, bag her up, she's mine. Bag her up, she's mine. And so let's get into the bag. Now, if you are new to this channel, I love mini bags. I love small bags. I like nano bags. I like micro bags. I like macro bags. I'm not a big sort of duffel bag type of girl. This one is a little bit bigger than what I would initially have gone for, but the color, the stitching, the top handle, the crossbody, the versatility, the color. Did I say the color? The color. spoke to me, and I didn't need to see anything else. I said, this is it. I've seen a lot of Chanel Coco handle bags, Coco bags, and I just did not like any of them. But this one, this 2017 lambskin cross stitch Coco handle bag was like, Olua Fumilayo, I'm your girl. Adopt me, take me home. And I was sold. I was sold from the moment I set eyes on it. If you have ever seen a bag and you knew you were gonna buy it, comment what bag it was below so that we can be in the sisterhood of see it, love it, buy it, bag lovers together. Let's talk a little bit more about this bag. Again, this is a pre-loved bag from Fashionphile. I am a big advocate of buying pre-loved. I am a big advocate of sustainability, and I'm a big advocate of buying from sites that you trust, sites that will let you return an item if you don't like it, and sites that authenticate their items. And Fashionphile is one of my favorite places to buy pre-loved items. This is the bag. I ended up also buying a twilly with it. When I was there, we looked at a couple of twillies. We looked at an Hermes twilly. We looked at Chanel twillies, but this Louis Vuitton one just kind of fit the color of the bag perfectly. I am not a person that everything has to be matchy-matchy. As long as it looks good, I'm gonna buy it. It is gold hardware, as you can tell. The year is 2017. The leather is lambskin. It is a Coco handle, so it does have a top handle. I love doing twillies so that the oil in my hands don't break down the leather so quickly, and it adds a little bit of more character to the bag. As you can see, let me move this out of the way. Look at the cross stitch. Look at the X all over it. Y'all, when I saw this, this is what sold me. This stitch work goes all the way around on the back as well. That's what sold me. I absolutely loved it. It was so different. It has a little pocket or sleeve in the back for your items. It has a little bit of wear and tear, but not that much wear and tear. The condition was excellent. With this bag is excellent condition. Look at the stitching. Oh my lord, just absolutely beautiful. It's a beautiful bag. And you know, lambskin is a very temperamental leather. Whoever had this bag babied the heck up out of this bag. Like, it is in incredible condition. So you turn it, of course, to open it. Let's look at the inside. Of course, this one was made in Paris, France. The inside as well is leather. It has a zippered compartment for your debit cards and your goods. It has a beautiful leather compartment that you can put your items inside of, and then another sleeve on the side as well. It does come with a crossbody strap, which is also gold. This is a crossbody strap. It is gold and with leather inside of it as well. Look at the gold. Absolutely gorgeous, amazing condition. I'm gonna put it on so you can kind of see the length that it comes to. This is the length. I am 5 feet, and it's hitting me right at my hip, upper torso, hip area. If you're a little bit taller, it might come up a little bit higher, but it is literally the perfect length for me at my petite frame. Again, if you don't want to wear it as a crossbody, you can just wear it as a top handle, and that is probably how I'm going to wear this bag, just as a top handle bag. For me, for this being my very first Chanel bag, I am extremely happy with it. I've bought bags before and brought it home and just I've not been happy with it, but I am extremely happy with this. If you are a person that loves structured bags, this is a bag for you. It's versatile, it's structured, it fits a lot of items. Let's look at some of the items that fit inside of this gorgeous bag. There we go. I fit a compact inside of it. We also fit our card holder, or you can fit a whole wallet inside of it, keys, and then look at this. it fits a whole pair of sunglasses with the case inside of it as well. It is very roomy. It will transition from going out with the girls to going out on a date. The color is literally perfect for fall, and then you can add a twilly to transition it from season to season. I highly recommend this bag if you are a Chanel lover and you're looking for something a little bit different from just a classic double flap or single flap and all these different colors and colorways that it comes in. This will be it. If you're looking for something with a little bit more personality, I highly recommend this bag in particular. Now that you've seen the bag and what fits into it and you've seen it up close, let me know on a scale of 1 to 10, would you buy this bag? Is it a 1 or a 10 in your book? If you are not a part of this channel and you enjoyed the video, think about hitting the subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube community. If you have any video suggestions or anything else you would like for me to review or talk about, please comment down below and I'll make a video just for you. I hope you had fun on this part of the internet. I definitely enjoyed talking to you and showing you my very first Chanel. All right, have a great rest of your day. Love you, mean it. Bye.